Okay, so let's start. First, import the file from your computer. Start with the main title. Okay, and then go to the main title section. Change the texture and select the imported texture main title. Now it's updated. Then next, we're gonna update the covers. Import again the exported textures from your folder. Select covers. And then go to the materials and the assets folder. Select cover 1. And then go to texture and select cover 1 texture. Then cover 2. Select cover 2 texture. Then go to the materials again. Select cover 3. And then replace the texture with the last cover 3. Okay, next we're gonna import another assets. So we're gonna import the titles or the years. And then go to the foreground effects. Select title 1. Then go to the texture. And then select the title texture 1. And then do the same thing. Title 2. Replace with a title 2 texture. And then title 3. Go to the texture section and replace it with title 3. So now all the titles are updated. So we're gonna update the random textures. So we have 3 folders: random 1, random 2, random 3. So import random 1 and go to the animated textures folder. So select random 1 and then texture, replace it with the imported texture and delete the created one, because we already prepared 3 random sections. We're just gonna replace the texture of those animated textures. So replace it with the random 1. Okay, then random 2, import the assets, texture sequence, go to the folder. So it will gonna create a random 2 texture. Just delete it, we don't need that. Select the random 2 default and then replace it with the random 2. And do the same thing with random 3. Import the assets from the folder again. Select the folder 3 and then import the textures. So again, delete the random 3 default and then just use our template and replace it with random 3. So I think that's it. That's how you replace all the files. And now if we're gonna use 2 random textures only. Oh, by the way, let's try it. Okay, screen tap. Alright, so this is working. So you just need to connect the screen tap node just to test it. Then after that, you need to remove it, because we don't need it. It's just for testing. Alright, and now to have 2 random cards only, just go to the general section and uncheck number 3 and title 3 as well. So we only have 2 now. And then select 1 and move the position to align it accordingly. So move the X, adjust the X position. And then number 2, adjust the X position. And then do the same thing on the titles. Title 1, X position until it's aligned to the cover 1. And then title 2, adjust it until it aligns to the cover 2 section. Yeah. So that's how you do it. Thank you.